Very good morning, everyone. First, most important thing is all about yesterday's class. So, if anyone having any doubts related to the previous topics, so quickly you just write down the question number in chat in message, and exercise we are already knowing, so you no need to write the exercise number because we have learned yesterday 10.2, which is related to the conversion of kilograms into grams and then grams into kilograms. Okay, so quickly write down the question number of the particular exercise if you not understood any particular question, or if you understood all and you have done all, then you can just tell me that I don't have any doubts, I have done all. So I told you all to do the first question in book only, and the second and third conversions I told you to do in copy. So I hope maximum of the students has done, but still if anyone having any doubts, quickly tell me in message. Okay, Ayush Anand, Pranab Anand, don't have doubts. Okay, Sannuta, Niti, Sagun, Anupriya, Adarsh, Akriti, Nisant, Divyans, Akshat. If anyone having any doubts, Tejasvi, Prince, Alka, Aryan, Aswini, Pallavi, quickly just tell me your doubts if you are having. Otherwise, we will move to the next topic, which we have is addition of kilograms and grams, which is very easy topic. So it is just like the normal addition only, normal addition and subtractions only. So the next topic which we have, because I am not seeing any doubts, so let us move to the next topic only, which we have is addition of kilogram. So additions of kilograms and grams. So the topic is simple, only addition, just unit is there, only unit, kilogram and gram is added, the rest of all is only addition only. So for example, I am taking one of the question, it is asking to add. So add 7 kilogram, 320 gram and 4 kilogram and 450 gram. So these are the two value given, this one and this one, and it is asking to add. So how we can do it? We know we will first arrange kilogram and gram, or we will write the kilogram and gram above, so that we no need to repeat these two units. Then in place of kilogram we have 7, and in place of gram we have 320, and that we have in place of kilogram we have 4, and in place of gram we have 450, and now we will add. So simply normal addition we will do, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11. So what the total sum we got is 11 kilogram and 770 grams. So we can write here, show the required sum is 11 kilogram and 770 gram. तो फाइनली एट द लास्ट वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, इस तरह से हम लोग लिख सकते हैं एट लास्ट, ओके, कि द सम रिक्वायर्ड सम विच वी गॉट इज 11 किलोग्राम एंड 770 gram. Okay, so very simply, as like the normal addition like this only, we will find the sum or we will add the value. Okay, Swati, Swati Singh, what you are doing? Rest of all, जिनका भी कैमरा ऑफ है, हम उसको कभी भी ग्रुप से हटा दे सकते हैं, क्लास से हटा दे सकते हैं. आई डोंट नीड दोज टाइप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर हाइडिंग देमसेल्फ. जो भी कैमरा बंद करके रखे हैं उसको मैं यहां से हटा दूंगा कभी भी. एंड आई विल रिमूव लाइक इन सच ए वे दैट यू विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू कम इन अगेन. आ भी नहीं पाओगे आप फिर से. So 770 and 11 किलोग्राम. यस, सो जिसने भी इसका आंसर सही दिया है इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सन्नुटा देन सगुन. ओके, so 20 participants we have. Very nice. So this is how very easily you can do the addition. Okay, so sometime it may be asked like this, add this and this. Sometime it may be asked like find the sum of this and this. Okay, or sometime it is asking just it will give like this and you have to add normally. So if you are talking about exercise 10.3, all the questions you can do, first questions you can do in your book also, just addition you have to do. So second and third let us discuss because these two are the word problems which we have. So let us see question number 2 of exercise 10.3. Okay, question number 2 of exercise 10.3 is, I'm not going to write the question, I'm explaining the question. So Rahim bought 8 kilogram and 250 gram of mangoes. So how much mangoes Rahim bought? Should just write here the value. Rahim bought mangoes is equal to how much? 8 kilogram and 250 gram. So 8 kilogram and 250 gram mangoes Rahim bought. Okay, and apples. So Rahim bought apples 1 kilogram and 200. Sorry, apples 2 kilogram and 500 gram. So means 2.5 kilogram. So 2 kilogram and 500 gram of the apples he bought, and 1 kilogram and 200 gram grapes. So Rahim bought grapes is equal to how much? 1 kilogram and 200 gram. So how much fruits did he buy from the shop? That you have to find out. So total कितना उन्होंने fruits खरीदा वो हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? So which operations we will use? Very simply, whenever it is asking to find the total of anything, then we know we have to just add all the values, right? सारी values हमें add करने पड़ते हैं. So just add all the values and check the total sum how much it is coming. So total is equal to, we'll do the sum. So kilogram will write here and gram will write here. In kilogram we have 8, then 250. In kilogram we have 2 and gram we have 500. In kilogram we have 1, then 200. So let us add this. So 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, okay, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So here also we are getting 11 kilogram and 950 gram. So total fruits he buy is equal to, or he bought is equal to 11 kilogram and 950 gram. So this is how you can find or you can solve the second question of exercise 10.3. So 10.3 का जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है सभी को समझ में आ गया? आकृति, आयुष आनंद, नंदिनी, आदर्श, शगुन, understood this question? Okay, so 11 kilogram and 950 grams, some of the students has written also. Okay, very nice. Shanuta and Anushka, your sum is I think incorrect. So sum सही से नहीं लिखे हो और शगुन का भी 131 किलोग्राम टाइप हो गया है. So 131 कैसे हो जाएगा? Okay, so check the sum again. Ayush Anand, why you are sleeping? Is this a sleeping time? Get up, idiot. Take out your copy and do the class work, whatever I am explaining. Okay, so let's move to the third question. Okay, so third questions, what is this? It is saying is, let us check and let us try to solve third question. Third question is, the weight of three boys are this and this respectively. So find their total weights. So can anyone tell me which operations will use? अगर हम बोलते हैं यहाँ पे कि तीन कोई स्टूडेंट्स का रैंडम नेम ले लेते हैं, जैसे कि मान लेते हैं Sanuta, Varadwaj, then Anupriya, and then Nissan. So the weight of the three students I am telling 101. Then after then, if I am telling what is the total weight of these three students, then how we can find out the total weight of these students? Exactly, by adding, by finding the sum. We can tell. So sum कैसे निकालेंगे? Add करके निकालेंगे. So let us do this questions also and check what is the total weight coming. Question number 3. The weights of three boys. First boy's weight is kilogram. I am just writing kilogram and gram directly here. So first boy's weight is 45 kilogram and 500 gram. So it's very huge weight. Okay. So normally आप लोग में से किसी का शायद 48, 45 नहीं होना चाहिए. The next boy's weight is 48 kilogram and 48 kilogram. So this is the most important thing is to understand here कि यहाँ पे देखो तीनों बच्चे का वेट दिया हुआ है, इसमें से एक का 45 किलोग्राम एंड 500 ग्राम दिए हुए हैं, लेकिन दूसरे बच्चे का सिर्फ 48 किलोग्राम दिए हुए हैं. सो देयर इज नो एनी ग्राम. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई स्टूडेंट्स का वेट जो है सिर्फ किलोग्राम में हो, ग्राम में ना हो. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इन दैट केस, वी विल पुट ऑल द वैल्यू एज 0 इन द प्लेस ऑफ ग्राम, क्योंकि कोई ग्राम नहीं है. 48 किलोग्राम 0 ग्राम. ओके, तो अगर ऐसा राउंड में है टोटली इन किलोग्राम, देन वी विल पुट इन द ग्राम प्लेस 0. ग्राम के प्लेस में हम लोग 0 पुट कर देंगे. After then, the third boy's weight is 38 kilogram and 200 gram. So 38 kilogram and 200 gram. And यहाँ पे कभी कभी ये भी हो सकता है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ 200 ग्राम सपोज 25 ग्राम दिए हुए हैं, 35 ग्राम दिए हुए हैं, तो हमें जो वैल्यू लिखने हैं दैट शुड बी फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, इधर से लिखते हुए आने हैं. अगर एक डिजिट है तो भी यहाँ पे लिखना है, 2 डिजिट है तो यहाँ पे लिखना है, और इधर जो है इधर आपको ब्लैंक छोड़ना है या 0 पुट कर देना है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर और एक मान लो स्टूडेंट्स है और उसका भी वेट हमें ऐड करना है, और उसका वेट अगर सपोज दिए हुए हैं कि मान लेते हैं वो एक छोटे किड्स है और उसका वेट दिए हुए हैं 8 किलोग्राम या 9 किलोग्राम एंड 30 ग्राम. तो यहाँ पे ये जो 9 किलोग्राम है दैट वी विल राइट हेयर एंड 30 ग्राम वी विल राइट लाइक हेयर. तो ये दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ राइटिंग द वैल्यूज. By the way, this much of difficult types questions you don't have in your book, but still I have explained for your understanding, or we can discuss this type of questions also further. or in test or in exam, this type of questions may ask, right? So now if we go as per the questions, this is the most important thing which you need to keep in mind कि यहाँ पे 48 किलोग्राम दिए हुए हैं, तो ग्राम के प्लेस में हम लोग सारे 000 पुट कर देंगे, ठीक है. Now we will add this. So 000 is 0, 000 is 0, 50 plus 2 is 7, then 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. So 1 carry, sorry 2 carry, 21 was there. So 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So total weight of these three students is coming 131 kilogram and 700 gram. So the question was find their total weight. So therefore we will write their total weight is equal to 131 kilogram 700 gram. This will be the required answer of क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हम लोग इस तरह से बनाएंगे, ठीक है. सभी को समझ में आ गया है? आदर्श कुमार, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? आदर्श, okay. So I hope everyone is writing in your classwork copy, right? Quickly everyone show your classwork copy. सभी हमको एक बार classwork copy दिखा दें अपने कैमरा में, so that I can ensure कि everyone having classwork copy with you. Yes, 131 किलोग्राम एंड 700 ग्राम जिसने भी लिखा है करेक्ट आंसर है स्वाति, सगुन, आयुष, आर्यन. ओके, सन्नुटा also. Okay, question number 3 is nice. Okay, so सभी जो है क्लास वर्क कॉपी में बना रहे हो. Okay, nice. Okay, so that's all for this exercise. अगर इस एक्सरसाइज से किसी को और कुछ डाउट्स है, so you can ask from exercise 10.3. I hope the rest of all you can do in your homework. So your homework is exercise 10.3. So 10.3 का exercise का homework है and this is your class work. Addition of kilograms and grams. So that's all for today. अगर किसी को कुछ doubts है, if anyone having any questions, any doubts, you can ask. We can discuss. Okay, no doubts. Okay, very nice. Thank you everyone. Then take care of yourself and bye bye.